The smart traditional Chinese medicine pharmacies throughout China have brought convenience to patients with the help of high-tech tools. In a smart TCM pharmacy located in Tangshan City, Hebei Province, after receiving prescriptions sent by hospitals or pharmacies, the decocting of TCM starts automatically.
相比患者自己煎药，智慧煎药效率更高，配比更精准。我们的制药仓自动抓药、配药，每分钟抓药3到4副，精准度上下不超2%。到达加工车间，加水、浸泡、煎煮、包装全自动操作，全部标准化流程。
The smart TCM pharmacy also provides personalized services according to patients' needs. Patients who place orders in the morning at the medical institutions can receive the decocted TCM in the evening, which greatly saves time and manual operation.